I start work when you're still asleep. Often in a rush just to be on time. Breakfasts too quick. Goodbyes far too short. Constantly on the run. Every day, new places. New challenges. New people. Sometimes it's a struggle. There are moments when your back's against the wall. And you must face the failures and overcome your weaknesses. And time runs fast. And sometimes you simply can't be where you want to. There are nights when it's impossible to let go because in your head, you're still solving the problem. It's good to have somebody you can rely on. Who you can trust. To think outside the box. To do your best again. To finally win. And come back home. This is it.